welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi. Korrect, pidgin, yannings. Now we they do. And what will they look today? Now the big one will go happen for England. Arsenal against Liverpool. Arsenal fans, they don't wear Arsenal jersey, they walk up and down for streets. Oh boy, this our Emery ball where they play now. Say now in short pass we go win today. Liverpool fans, they just they judge. They know they talk, they know they shout, they just there for one corner. They say, oh boy, you don't see our defenders, you don't see VJ Van Dijk, you don't see our goalkeeper, you don't even see our striker. Say, man, don't forget, say Salah did this team. Oh, Arsenal fans all the shout, oh, but Salah is still a score goal. But me, I want to know this morning, whether you be Arsenal fan, whether you be Liverpool fan, what do you expect from today's game? Arsenal fans, you feel say on an Emery ball they walk. You feel say on an Emery ball go feel win Liverpool today. Liverpool fans, una feel say una get the energy today to run 90 minutes against this Arsenal side. Una feel say una get the energy to counter attack this Arsenal side, to the knock them, make Ozil disappear. Some people don't talk say Ozil na magician. Say when big game reach, Ozil go disappear. Arsenal fans, Ozil go disappear today. Abi Ozil go there for the match.